Ay ayatek ng kabarangay Tunoton ken mangitayag beloved principal the beautiful Miss Vanji Gulia, beautiful teachers, PTA President Mr. Romy Pagarligan, PTA Vice President Manang Laviana Agustin, Barangay Captain Mangitaya Kapitan Rodrigo Malinay, parents, students, napateg na sangsangaili, gagayem ken kakabsat, kablaawan kayo man tinimbag abigat. Indeed, it is my great privilege and honor to be your guest speaker today. The Recognition and Honors Day of Tunoton Elementary School. Ket kunakman nga rod ta nakamaymayan matirik na ta mailiw wakmet ti umay ditoy eskwela tayo. Dagipi naragsak nga napasamag bayad ti panagbasak ditoy Tunoton. Tanang bayag iding nga tawenin ti naglabas. Ket numalagip ko idi may saak nga mapan agdibigos ijay nga to agtatapwak kang ijay no adapay tatta adapay o awan ganungnan. Ket lukubing syakmet ti may sang analing agsala idi gitoy. Yan, kaslamit nalalaig da itatangan sala. Amok, dagtoy nga eskwela tayo, ket adupay ti improvements na ta ibagbaga ni Ma'am Vanji kanya, nga adukan upay ti matarimaan. Gagaya ito'y HP na kunala ket mareg-reg ka to ti kuanan ti walnan. Ket tulungan tayo kumayda nga mangpatano ti adu nga nalalaing nga ubing ditoy. When may pagtangsit ko ti Tunoton Elementary School kasya may saak nga nagradua ditoy, which I always been a part of me whenever competing with other career-oriented hoteliers. Kaya't malagip ko man ti may sanga sa lutsod, ti may sanga GM. A GM nga dati nangato ti position na ti may sanga hotel, which is General Manager ti Sofitel. Kuna na ti kastoy ket, you're already reached the peak of your career. And why still not married? Ket kuna I told him, I am married to my parents. Students in Tunoton, I would like to congratulate you for being an excellent in your academe. And I would like to advise you to continue excel in your class and to have your parents as your inspiration and partner in this journey in your life. I myself, my parents became my inspiration, though a lot of struggles and sacrifices in life. I remember once that my mother and father told me, study first before getting married. Tanto adal mo ti maipagmalaki ta magiging mapangasawa mo kunada. Ken day tanto ti adal mo ti itugtugot mo nga kahit saan ka mapunta. Ket isuman ti tinantanda anak dayta nga sauda until I graduated. Until now, I'm not yet married. I wouldn't reach these dreams without my parents. I owe them my life, including Tunoton Elementary School. To all parents who are here, I would like also to congratulate you having been a successful parents. Apay nga maibaga nga successful kayo. Ngamin, ado dagiti parents nga kayanta, unay nga mayat ti buhay ti anak da, ngem ado met ti ubing nga awan interest da nga agbasa. Ngarud, continue to inspire your children. Give them unconditional love and support. Be the model of all model parents. Saan lang digitay parents, yung digitay nalalaing, kaya napipintas na teachers di Tunoton Elementary School. Naisuda man ti may sang nga ng tarabay kanyak during my elementary school. I believe Tunoton Elementary School made my dreams come true. I am proud being a part of this school. We vow to support whatever they needs. Thank you. Mabuhay Tunoton Elementary School.
I request also the other guests, barangay chairman, PTA officers, to please, teachers, to please witness the awarding.